Hi everyone, I'm Allie with PotomacBeads, and today's Better Beader episode is going to be a little clarification for you on what products are produced by whom and a little knowledge going along with that. Today's Better Beader episode, we are going to concentrate on the Par Puca or For Puca products. These products are manufactured in the Czech Republic but are created and designed in France. These products are often confused as Potomac products, and I wanted to go over what was included in these beautiful Czech coated beads as well, and how to use them and how to utilize them with our products as well. So here in the arabesque bracelet, you can see one of the more known Par Puca products, which is going to be the Arcos. We go down the line here in the different creations of the Par Puca products. All the Par Puca products are named for Greek islands, so that's where you're kind of seeing the similarity in names. The Par Puca products are also designed exclusively to go with one another, but that doesn't mean you have to be exclusive with the products. In addition to that, there are many patterns that Puca puts out, and she does a bunch of different designs using her beads, and she is a native French speaker. Most of the patterns that are done by her are going to be picture tutorials, and they are in French. If you need that translation to happen, you can go into Google Translate and do the actual translation. There are more patterns coming out by Puca that she has had translated for her, which you can see if you go into our website and check on the Telos page. The Telos page is her most original and newest bead, in my opinion. And for that, there's a number of designs and tutorials that are easy downloads and clickable on our website for these Telos beads that are in English. There are some videos also that I have done and tried to make it really apparent that they're not my designs, that they are Puca's designs that she allowed me to go ahead and produce for her to increase the knowledge of the Par Puca products. So on our website, all of the Puca products, if you search for Puca or Par Puca, P-A-R-P-U-C-A, you will get all of the products that are her design. Starting again with the Arcos. The Arcos bead is going to be that arch bead, 5 by 10 millimeter. Then I have sitting here next is the Tenos bead. So the Tenos bead, again, is going to be that kind of 10 millimeter, but it's a 4 by 10. The Tenos bead, you can see here in this flourish bracelet, uses a kind of cut-off pyramid is the best way to think of it, where you have the long side and 2 holes in that. The Arcos is the only one that's going to have 3 holes, other than jumping then to the Telos, which actually has 4 holes, kind of how you're looking at it. I have a number of spotlights on these different beads, but just wanted to go over again what is actually in the Par Puca family. Next here in line, I have what I think is probably the least known, which is the Kos bead. The Kos, or K-O-S bead, is a semicircle with 2 holes through the bottom coming through at the top. These fit really nicely when you are looking at them on the top of the Tenos bead, kind of rounding out that top section. There's then the Samos bead, which the Samos bead here is S-A-M-O-S. The Samos is a 2-holed oval, flat on one side, rounded on the other side. Moving on to then the Paros bead. So you have the Samos and the Paros. The Paros is basically taking the Samos but making it into a diamond or a marquee shape, again with 2 holes. The Minos is kind of a fun little additional bead, barrel shaped, but the hole going through the side of the barrel. That works really, really well with the Arcos bead, as well as some of the Cheops and other beads along those lines. This is the only 1-holed Par Puca bead. So the only 3-holed is going to be that Arcos. The only 4-holed Par Puca is going to be the Telos. The only 1-holed bead is going to be the Minos. The rest are 2-holed. I have then also both here the Cheop and the Super Cheop. The Cheop is a 2-holed triangle, again along the lines of that Kos as well as the Tenos, where you have the one side, the longer side here, having 2 holes, and then the other holes come up through the sides of that isosceles triangle. Not only do you have a flat version, but there is a pyramid version, which is the Super Cheop, having a little pyramid shape to it. Most designs and ideas that you have with the Cheop, you can substitute the Super Cheop for that same desired look. Another little known bead in the Puca family is the Ios bead. The Ios bead is going to be closest to the 2-holed bar. I have it here just to show you a little bit of how that similar look goes along with that 2-holed bar in this zigzag one here. So you can see you can use it that it has that rounded edge, unlike an actual brick bead. It gives a little bit more of that oval look to it. There's then the Amos bead, which the Amos bead is going to be a teardrop bead, holes going through the sides. This one's great to produce flowers and give kind of that petal look when you're working at it. All of these beads make up the Puca family. Remember, you can use them independently from one another. You can use them in addition to other beads, like here I have them with our Iris Duo as well. And you can look and get inspiration from the way that Puca really thinks about the beads, how they're going to fit together, and how they work to form the different shapes in her Greek island line of beads. It'll be interesting to see how much further this little product line with those Greek islands goes and all the different shapes that come along with it. The coatings and the different colors and the different shapes continue to be really fun to work with and to give tons of ideas. Remember, some of the patterns are going to be that you see on our website on French, and then some newer English ones which can be automatically downloaded at the bottom of the category page on our website. As with all of the Better Beader episodes, the idea of these Better Beader episodes is to make you a better beader. This idea is really kind of product knowledge, knowing what beads are manufactured by what manufacturer, so you know when you're going to order them that any of the Par Puca beads that are in, say, Aztec Gold or Metallic Plum, they're all going to be the exact same color with the exact same coating. This is really important when you're placing your orders because different bead manufacturers may call things different. Like Puca is going to call it Aztec when it's gold, and the Checkmate brand is going to call it flax often, or matte flax. So you want to know which beads are produced by which manufacturers or which designers to make you a smarter consumer and to be able to order with more ease. Remember, again, if you want to, you can give a little thumbs up to the video. Comment below, let me know what your favorite Par Puca shape is. I have to go with probably the Arcos, that it's still one of the favorite, and then also the Amos bead, so you can kind of vote for yours below, as well as share this video with somebody that you think might like a little bit of extra knowledge on this beading subject. Remember, you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel to get regular updates from us here at PotomacBeads. From everyone here, thanks so much for watching and enjoy your Par Puca beads.